Alright guys, welcome back to another recap. It is halftime for the World Cup games going on right now, so it's time for a recap. Let me go over my trades, guys. If this is your first time on my channel, I do these every single day. I review all the trades that I take, where I took the trades, where I lost, or where I stopped out or took my profit. If you also guys want to trade live, I trade live every single morning. It's completely free. A lot of people are charging 50, 75 bucks, 100, up to $150 to watch people trade live. And I guarantee you that mine is 100% free. You guys are going to learn a lot, and you guys get to see exactly where I buy, where I sell in real time. So if you guys want to do that, just subscribe to the channel right here on YouTube or tradecaster.com. You're going to have to click my lobby, cancel the payment. It is still free there as well. Don't put in any credit card information at all. Anyways, today was an iffy day. I traded the morning. It was okay. I think I got off stream and I was up 50 bucks, and then I saw tops ended up showing back up, or showed some momentum. I full on chased it, and so I lost money on there, and then I ended up gaining it back after this meeting that happened and whatever volume this picked up here on Tesla. So Tesla's been saving me. But let me go over my first trades during the day. One of the stocks that was very strong this morning was XPEV, and I made 230 on XPEV. I could have traded it a lot better. I actually had a very clean entry very early on, and I thought about holding it for a while, and I ended up moving my stop up a little too tight. I do that all the time. I gotta let these stocks breathe a little bit, but I moved it up too tight and ended up getting stopped out. But I mean, this is a very nice flag on XPEV. Pushed us up, started pulling back down, kind of holding above VWAP, holding above or right at $9 with very low volume. So that's where I started adding. I stopped out, added again, added again. And I was in here with 1,500 shares. I took 500 out right there. I should have held these. You know, obviously, if I hold 1,500 shares, 1,000 shares, 500 shares, and would have gotten the move from $9 up to, what did it go to, 11? You know, that's $2 a share. Would have been a very nice trade. Obviously, I didn't do that. I got stopped out very early. I think at this point, when it started opening right here, this little open here, the volume wasn't really increasing, and so I got a little iffy about it, and so I put my stop like right down here somewhere, and this red candle stopped me out. Like, must have bottom ticked me there, and then ended up going in my direction. But that was the trade on that one. Just momentum off of earnings. Try to play it, find a flag, and take the next leg up. I'm not going to go over a couple of these small ones because they're just scratch trades like this one. Well, actually, okay, well, this was a $150 loss. This one, big old chase here, looking for the 99 and $1 moves. So as soon as this spiked up, I was looking for this pivot to hold, took the trade there, ended up stopping me out, so I lost on that one. CRBP is the one that I'm talking about, you know, $20 loss here. I think I had a right idea on it. Yeah, so I started buying here as it's creating a low. I ended up getting wicked at the bottom here again. My stop is too tight, got wicked out here, and then ended up making this move without me. I'm gonna go over tops. This was just a bad trade. I straight up chased this thing. This thing, you know, this thing went from $2.20, $2 all the way up to $4.50. So it was up over 100% at one point. I saw kind of this flat top here, and then so let me zoom in a little more. So I kind of saw this flat top here, and then I kind of saw this uptrending support. So low, higher low, higher low. And I was like, we might break out of this and then end up pulling back to that level here, support that flat top, and then get a next leg up if this one wants to go parabolic. I feel like I've traded tops before, and every time I trade tops, it likes to go on a run, likes to squeeze shorts out, but I think I was just too late. You know, this was a move, this was a flag, this was another flag. I'm buying the third, fourth flag on this thing while it's already up more than 100%, so I deserve this loss. $250 red. Now, when I finished stream, I was up about 50 bucks, and this thing just put me right back down into the red, and so I ended up being red about $200, $100 after that, and then I just kind of sat here, and I was watching the World Cup, and then I totally forgot about the meeting. Well, I knew about it, but I totally forgot that it was an hour. It was Eastern time, and so I was an hour behind from it. And so I totally didn't realize that it was at 12:30, and so I just had my charts open watching the World Cup, and then I see Tesla start ripping and start getting some volume, and I'm like, oh, that's right, it's an hour behind. And you can see after that I started actively trading Tesla. So all of this is actively trading Tesla. I'm going to take them out now because that's a lot. I kind of remember the big trades that I took. You guys can pause it anyways there. So one of the bigger trades that I took was going I ended up going long. So the first trade, I saw this short go to red, green, and then a lot of the times when this happens, they go green, red, green, red. You know, they kind of just dance back and forth, and then they ended up kind of cooling off at the same level that it was before. Not today was not the case at all, but this kind of popped up a little bit. I took a tiny short there, followed it down, missed all of this, and then I saw the same thing that I was looking at XPEV, so kind of flat top there, kind of uptrending support. And I think my bigger trade on this one was buying in here, anticipating this leg, so I kind of like bought in this pullback. I think I was maybe in a little early, bought in on that pullback there, and I was able to sell. I think I was fully out by like 187s. I had a previous target of 186.4, which was previous high of day from 2-3 days ago, so that was my target, and ended up blowing it out of the water. But my target was hit, so I was out of that trade. I was looking for a dollar move, so I got that. So that was a good trade. Kind of left it alone through this whole move here. I actually think I tried shorting it here. Shorted there, tiny scratch trades here, and then it kind of squeezed again. I was like, you know what? It's got another leg in it. Once this high happened, and then this stuff happened right here, I was very short biased, and I don't know why. I guess I am just really good at nailing shorts on Tesla, but I nailed another nice short on Tesla here, and I've been doing it with Tesla pretty consistently. So I saw that stuff, I saw the rejection. As soon as this thing started pulling back and kind of popping up slightly, I added short, added short, added short. So I was in here short, I don't know how many shares, and I was able to catch this move back down. And that's the one that ended up going from like $0 break even day, because I probably made it all back with this, to catching a very nice winner here for another almost $300 profit. I was up more than 300 at the bottom of this candle, but I had my stop way up here, so when this came back up, it stopped me out here anyways. But yeah, so almost $300 on the day. It is the worst month I've had, by far the worst month I've had all year. I'm ending green, which is very nice. I'm ending green, and so I'm happy about that. But a lot of red days, a lot of inconsistent days, a lot of small winners. You know, the only reason I'm green is because a couple of big green days here and there. You know, a couple, I think $1,000 day and a couple 500s this month. But by far, I mean, I went 5 days red in a row, a full week. So, you know, just happy that November's over, and let's look forward to December. Hopefully some action comes, pick us up again. Tops, you know, that's a good thing to see. All these lower penny stops squeezing shorts, that's a good thing to see. So hopefully we get something moving. But if you guys like these recaps, make sure to hit the thumbs up. You guys enjoy the World Cup or something else like that after you're done trading. Study what you need to do, and then take a break from charts. I know a lot of the times I just look at charts and charts and charts, and I start going crazy. So right now I'm turning this off. I'm turning my computer off. I'm going to sit here and watch the second half of both of these games and just relax. So new month next month, and after that New Year's. So kind of just trying to take it slow until the year's over, and then try to pick it up again next year. So you guys take care. You guys have a good rest of your day. If you guys like this recap, hit the thumbs up. Comment down below who you think is going to win the World Cup, and I will see you guys tomorrow during live trading, completely free. You just gotta come on and say hi. So y'all take care, and I'll see y'all tomorrow.